Today I received this air purifying bags with active bamboo and charcoal natural air purifier. It's on sale from $15.99 to $5.99, and you get 5 of them in the bag. The charcoal pellets is enclosed in those well-made actually cloth bags, and they have a small hole on the top so you can hang it on the wall like I did. Now, obviously, you get 5 of them for $5.99, so don't expect them to be large. Each of size is about 3 inches by 4 or 5 inches. It feels pretty sturdy because obviously it has bamboo shreds and active charcoal in there. So I'm just gonna hang a couple of them on my wall. Now, don't get your expectations too high. It's good for small spaces like a bathroom or a car. I would put 2 in the kitchen if I wanted to do that, which I'm going to show you where. So if it works well, I'm going to buy like 2 more bags for a total of 15. They really require not a lot of maintenance. And to clean it, you can wipe it down with a cloth if you want, but to reactivate the charcoal and the bamboo inside, all you have to do is to add some sunlight. So take it out to the patio and let it sit there for a couple hours. Or during a good clear day, I would actually put in the car in the back windows and let it soak. So here I put 2 in the bedroom, not in the bedroom, in my living room, next to my TV. And the 2 other places I'm going to put is in the kitchen. And then I'm going to have 1 in the bathroom and 1 in the bedroom to see if it works. That add up to be 6. Why 6? Because I'm just trying it out.